So roughly 24,000 and change. Bought ourselves a Supra.
12 hours later, we were in Tokyo, Japan, the land of magical toilets.
With no further ado, this is our Japanese auction bought wrecked Toyota Supra.
Before we get down to the action, let's take a second out to thank our sponsor. Today's episode is sponsored by Beard Club. Beard Club delivers high quality consumables that help you get a fuller, better, healthier looking beard. Having a beard can be a lot of work, and trimming it can be a hassle, and finding a good trimmer is hard, but now you know where to go. Beard Club has an amazing trimmer in their grooming kit. With the PT45, there's no painful hair pulling, you don't have to make multiple passes in the same spot. It's sturdy, it's really sturdy, has a great feel to it, and the battery life lasts like forever. I guess I can't literally say that. It lasts a very long time. And if you're working on your beard and want to grow a more full beard, they have a growth kit as well. And that has different sprays and moisturizers to help prime the hair follicles for optimal growth. My personal use of the grooming kit has been amazing. Today I used the PT45 trimmer to trim my beard to length and the beard oil to moisturize, and it just feels so good and so clean and so fresh. So no matter what type of beard you have, if you're just getting started growing out your beard, or you're like me and you're trimming it back, head over to Beard Club and they got the perfect kit for your needs. Grow your best beard today and take 20% off your first order when you go to beardclub.com/BisForBuild and use the promo code BisForBuild. It's at the top of the description. It's also on the screen right here. That's beardclub.com/BisForBuild with the promo code BisForBuild. Huge thanks to them for keeping my beard trimmed up nicely and sponsoring this episode. Let's get down to the action.
Cheers, gentlemen.
Family.
The family.